Hello everybody, Jake Raby coming to you from Flat 6 Innovations for another Flat 6 Minute. So here we have a customer's Porsche core engine, and we just pulled it out of this car that came to us from Canada. And just wanted to show you something that we are seeing more and more often. So of course, these two center plenum pieces need to be removed when you're accessing the starter to replace it, or the air oil separator to replace it, or anything in the back region of this engine. So what we are finding, and we're finding more times than not now, is these are being installed improperly, and they are leading to intake leaks, vacuum leaks. And these vacuum leaks can increase fueling through fuel trim. The engine sees false air. You have all kinds of weird diagnostic codes, or sometimes you don't have a code and it just increases fueling. So what I want to show you is how none of this is installed properly. So the clamp that's here did not even clamp this side of this manifold boot. There's a ton of false air coming into this engine here. Now, ironically, which is not so ironic for us, this engine had a rich running condition. And the reason it had that is because the engine was trying to correct the fueling because the engine didn't know it had a vacuum leak. So if it doesn't know it has a vacuum leak, then it's going to increase fueling to meet the demand that is being created by the false air. And it gives the engine too much fuel, and then it constantly runs rich, and that scores cylinders, and it causes all kinds of other problems because fuel is solvent, not lubricant. You can wash parts in fuel. So this is the same way, right? It's not quite as bad, but there's a manifold leak at the bottom of this. This one is horrible, okay? So this is a big deal, and something like this can create a situation where the engine has to come apart and it has to be reconstructed. This can lead to a catalyst of bore scoring because of that fuel that's being added unnecessarily. Again, because the engine doesn't know that somebody did this. So we're seeing more and more engines being molested, meaning the wrong people are working on them. They're not taking time. People are using the cheapest shop to do work. This engine has had a replacement starter on it at some point because you can see it has a different sticker on it. So maybe that's what they had done. Maybe they had changed the air oil separator at the same time or changed something in this region, and they had to remove the intake manifold center sections to facilitate said repairs. And what really sucks is if somebody does an elective air oil separator and they pull these two pieces off to get to it, then they create a situation that can lead to an engine failure or a degradation of the cylinder seal just because they didn't know how to install a clamp. So, you're looking straight down into the intake manifold here. This clamp has not been touched. It's nice and tight, but it did not go where it belongs. Now, when you are installing this, you're looking at the engine from this perspective. And all you can see is this, right? Because the top of the car is here. In a cabriolet, it's even lower down, so it's even more of a problem. So, when somebody looks at this from back here, this is what they're seeing. And they should have been able to see that they missed the target here. But what they couldn't see was how bad they missed the target back here. So when you do this work, you need to use a mirror, inspection mirror, bore scope, something, and make sure that this clamp is on this boot for the entire circumference of the boot, okay? All right, guys, these are important things. Things like this can kill engines. They can cause bore scoring. They can be catalysts for all sorts of things. And you have to do this work comprehensively. You can't assume that you've just got a boot where it belongs. And, take your time. And if you choose a shop to do this work, you don't want to choose them based on how much they charge to do it, because you will get exactly what you pay for with Porsche engine repairs. All right, for Flat 6 Innovations and Rim Vision, I'm Jake Raby.